Introducing the ON7214-DTK for 0.5-ton clear-floor asymmetric two-post lift. Engineered for precision, built for absolute reliability. True direct drive technology. Twin hydraulic cylinders deliver power directly to the carriages, eliminating chains, cables, and the risk of breakage or derailment entirely. The telescopic 3-stage asymmetric arm can extend from 845 mm to 1,350 mm. Industry-leading 95 mm minimum pad height. Standard 50 mm and 75 mm extension adapters included, providing unrestricted access to low ground clearance and high-axle vehicles alike. Thicker, high-density arm pads with increased material thickness for extended service life and superior vehicle protection. Fully CE-certified electrical control system, compliant with the highest European safety directives. Integrated overhead collision protection with automatic shut-off, engineered to prevent contact with vehicle roofs and overhead obstructions. Single-side manual safety release, intuitive, rapid, and fully synchronized for controlled descent. Widened column design combined with dual mechanical self-locking devices and hydraulic safety redundancy, delivering double insurance protection at every height. On 7214-DTK. A new benchmark in professional-grade lifting equipment.